guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn some cryptocurrencies directly to your Faucetpay account. Then when you've reached the minimum on the Faucetpay account, you'll be transferring them directly to your Trust wallet account or any other cryptocurrency wallet in which you make use of. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be among the first to be notified on it. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called LITECOIN.com. So guys, all you need to do is to register on this site and earn. And also I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it's going to be taking you directly to this site to tell you to register. Now when you click on the register button, all you need to do is to input your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, then you scroll down, complete this chapter over here which says I'm not a robot. So after that is done, you go ahead and click on the sign up button. So when that is done, and you can only use Gmail, as you can see over here, only Gmail is allowed for new registration. So all you need to do after that, you click on the sign in to log into your account by inputting your username and your password. You complete the captcha over here which says I'm not a robot, and after that you click on the sign in button. So guys, we are now on our dashboard. So I've been testing out this site for a couple of time now, and it has been paying, and it's a legit site. So to earn on this site, as you can see, first of all, for each referral you get 30% when you refer your friends. So guys, to earn on this site also, when you click on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, you can see over here you can earn by PTC ads, window ads, and short links. And also you can also earn by faucet claim, offer walls, tax, auto faucet. So you can make use of them to earn. So let's check out this faucet claim. When you click on the faucet claim, as you can see, this is the amount of coin we are going to be claiming now. This is the amount of coin. So what you need to do is, when you scroll down, now all you need to do is, as you can see here, please click on the anti-bot link in the following order: 1, 4, and 8. You're going to be doing, which is over here as you can see here. So 1, there is 3 minus 2, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 times 2, 8. So after clicking them, you complete this captcha over here which says I'm not a robot, which I have done already. Now you scroll down and click on collect your reward. So this is just checking if the site is secured. After that, our reward is going to be added to our balance. So as you can see over here, this amount of coin has been added to our balance. So you're going to be waiting again. You claim this every 4 minutes. So you're going to be waiting again. We have up to 100 claims, and now we have 99 left. To earn again, when you click on the 3 lines in the top left corner of your screen, you can also earn by the PTC ads, which is over here. When you click on it, as you can see, we have up to 39 ads. So this is the amount of coin in total we are going to be receiving, up to 5.6 million coins. So this is we are going to be getting 800,000 coins when we view this particular ads for 30 seconds. And when you click on go, you're going to be clicking on go to view them. When you click on go, it's going to be taking you to the site. As you can see here, it has started counting already. You are going to be waiting for 30 seconds. So when the timer has finished counting, you click on I'm not a robot to verify you are human. And after you have been verified, as you can see over here, click on motorcycles and verify. So after that, you click on verify, which is over here. Then you go back to the site, and as you can see, we have been rewarded with 80,000 coins. It has been added to our balance, as you can see over here. So you have up to, so I still have up to 23 ads to view, and as you can see them over here, some of them you have to view for just 5 seconds, some you have to view for 5 seconds, while others you have to view for 10 seconds, and some you have to view for 30 seconds. So guys, you can also earn by the window ads, which is over here. When you click on the window ads, as you can see here, we have 16 ads available and up to 4.1 million coins in total. So all you need to do, you click on the go, just like the PTC ads. When you click on go, you view for 30 seconds. So it's just going to be counting like this. When you just click on go, then you come back, and this will be going this way, as you can see over here. So when it's finished loading for that 30 seconds, you're going to be verifying you are not a robot, which is over here. Then after you've been verified, you click on verify, and your balance will be given to you. So guys, that is how you can earn on Kiddie Earner. So you go back to your, when you go back to your dashboard by clicking on user panel, you are going to be seeing the amount of coins in which you have accumulated. So guys, to withdraw from this site, when you click on the 3 lines in the left corner of your screen, click on withdraw request. And when you click on the withdraw request, when you scroll up, you're going to be seeing a way. And in this video, I'll be showing you on LITECOIN to withdraw your LITECOIN. So guys, as you can see here, you can withdraw using Solana, Coinbase, and Shiba Inu, but as you can see here, it is out of stock, so there is no withdrawal for Shiba Inu on Coinbase. So guys, I'm going to be showing you on LITECOIN. As you can see over here, this LITECOIN, and we have 774 Litoshi to be withdrawn. So all you need to do is you enter your email address in which you used to register your Faucetpay. And if you don't have a Faucetpay account, I'm going to be dropping a link to the video where I explain how you can create your Faucetpay account in the description box below. So this is the amount of coin we have. So all you need to do is to click on the LITECOIN, then scroll down and you click on withdraw. And when you click on the withdraw button, as you can see, 774 Satoshi of LITECOIN has been sent to our Faucetpay account. So we're going to be checking if it has successfully arrived by going to our Faucetpay account. As you can see, this is my Faucetpay account. So as you can see, 777 Satoshi of Litecoin has arrived in our Faucetpay account from Kidi Ena. So guys, this site is a legit one which I use to accumulate more Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, I just tried it out now. I just tried it out now and I accumulated a whole of 1.8 million coins. So I have withdrawn mine. So guys, you can also go back and claim as much coin as you can and withdraw them to your Faucetpay account. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated and notified on that. Thanks for watching.